After leaving a bunch of bananas in my closet for 2 weeks.
You think I'm that crazy? I have banana in my hair.
Today we're gonna begin the 7-day banana hair challenge. So don't forget to like this video and...
Should I change my pants for this challenge? Am I gonna make them all dirty? Probably. Please make sure to stick around until the end because I'm gonna be showing you how to make this.
So we're gonna begin this routine by doing a 2-minute scalp massage to stimulate blood flow. Then we're gonna detangle our hair from the bottom to the top using a white tooth comb. Remember to be gentle while you massage and detangle your hair.
This is not gonna be pretty. This has never been pretty, right?
In terms of applying this banana hair mask, there are no rules. You can apply with your hands, a bottle squeezer, or like me, as long as you cover your entire hair and scalp with this hair mask.
Smell like when I used to have a parrot.
Every time you apply this, massage the hair mask from roots to ends. Do not try to comb the hair mask with your fingers because it is a little bit hard to get through the hair, so just keep that in mind.
No, my camera's about to die and everything is on the other room.
After this, we're gonna drain some water out of the hair with our hands so it does not drip. Next, we're gonna wrap our hair like this, and then we're gonna double cover our hair with a plastic cap first, and then with a microfiber towel as last to lock the heat.
I leave this mask for an hour on my hair, and after that, I'm just going to, you know, wash it with water. Ew, ew. I'm so sticky, I'm not kidding. This feels like I put honey all over me. Like I said, I'm gonna go wash my hair with cold water. That's it. We'll continue our journey of a 7-day challenge tomorrow, okay? I forgot to clean this yesterday. Ew, I thought it was dry. The entire day, I've been caressing my hair. Okay, Dorothy, because it feels so soft. No. I have a little residue. I need to see. But look at the shine. I barely see. It's tiny bit greasy. Right now, my hair doesn't smell like bananas. I think this was the oldest banana I had in my closet. Or at least, I'm not aware of it. Good. Now that I set my timer, I am gonna cover my head. Why do I look like a dumpling? With the microfiber towel that I didn't wash yesterday. So far, my hair doesn't feel thick. The tiny volume that my hair could possibly have. None. Nada. Finito. My scalp looks very clean. My hair doesn't. No. Every day it feels way more softer, way more shinier. What a terrible English, but who cares? I just shower with a thing. I'll be right back. I'll pick you up. I should not pick you up. Stop. Before I take you to the roof deck, we have to clean this, okay? Done. I gotta go. I am not gonna humiliate myself in this way. Never. 30 more minutes and then wash this off with water. See ya. Okay. Do you want to put banana in your hair too? No. I go outside, people think, you know, that I just came out of the shower. How? Wow. Even though my hair is extremely greasy, it still feels very soft and detangling easily thanks to the grease. I don't have dandruff. Also, the grease adds a little bit of shine, just a tiny bit. Not really. And this is only day 4. Okay, that was too much. I get it. I see it. I see it over there. Not looking forward for tomorrow. No. literally woke up and my husband was like, we gotta go. We have the family photo shoot today. I have banana hair. Look.
Oh, yeah, why didn't you wash it?
We had no time for that. Who's gonna sit right next to me? Let me show you my outfit. My hair's like this. Nobody said anything about my hair. Oh, got in my ear. Why do you need to be this aggressive? I definitely think that this is very nourishing for any hair. It's enough, okay? That was good. Hello? Oh. Cover. Wait. Shower. I just finished doing my water rinse, as you can see. Right now it's 9 o'clock. I was just noticing that it's taking longer now that my hair is so greasy. Like, this is the first time that actually takes very long to dry. I'll see you in 1 hour to give you an update. It's 11. My hair's still wet. Gotta stay under the fan to see if I can dry this thing. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's kind of late for that. Suffer. Everything lands in this bowl. There is banana everywhere now. Today I just couldn't stop staring at everybody's hair. I was the greasiest person in every single moment. I was just trying to look for someone that had like greasy hair as me, and there was no one. Everybody looked like they showered. It's very nice. All I wanted to just say was like, I have banana in my hair. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't get like a good reaction, you know? Kind of like sad, but... You saw that TikTok transition? I have nothing to do. Banana seed. I think it's time to go. Bye. Today when I enter the room, smell like a zoo in here.
Just can't believe I left these bananas in here.
I was just trying to get them as ripe as possible. Somehow in my brain and one cell right there, it was like, yeah, put it in the closet. Lock the door. Yeah. The more ripe the banana is, the more conditioned and more soft your hair is gonna feel. I agree with that. I really like how the texture of my hair feels at this point. My hair has not been frizzy, dry, or rough, and not even my ends. It's very shiny, very nice. Whoa. Diamonds in the sky. In terms of making your hair stronger and thicker, I can see a little bit of the strength in my hair, even though it's only 4 strands. Okay, I get it. I hear you. I don't see thickness at all. Okay, let's be honest, my hair has no volume. I've never developed dandruff throughout this entire day. I'm here to tell you. If you have a banana and you wanted to try this is completely safe. Whoa, I seriously showered today with this thing. Yay! I need some sunlight. Where am I? Wow, neighbors got good stuff. If I don't focus, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall, so. I am going to follow up my regular hair wash routine, this one right here, and I'll be showing you my results tomorrow, okay? Bye! Here are my final results from this banana 7-day hair challenge. In terms of hair growth, I measured my hair on day 1 to compare the length on day 7, and unfortunately there was no growth at this time. However, let's remember that we all grow hair differently, so this could have a different result on you. In terms of hair appearance, take a look. My hair feels extremely soft and shiny, so no doubt about it, the bananas could be very beneficial for those with rough, dry, frizzy hair. I really like how strong my hair feels when I brush it or run my fingers through. I don't think it made my hair thicker, but it added a little bit of volume on the roots. After I shampoo, my hair and scalp don't have banana residue or banana smell, which I appreciate very much. And I think this is quite safe to use twice a week as a 7-day hair challenge or whenever you want. Just make sure to test patch or avoid this if you are allergic to bananas.
So this is how I make this banana hair mask. So you're gonna begin by blending one whole ripe banana, yeah, like this one. Whoa. With 3 tablespoons of almond oil, 5 drops of rosemary oil, and half a cup of water. Now you're gonna blend all the ingredients until you get a paste consistency like this. Now you're gonna put this in a clean container and it's ready for application. I didn't filter the paste, but if you want, you can filter this with a cheesecloth to remove the seeds and residue, which I personally didn't have a problem washing this out of my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida!